वापस घर जाने का टाइम आ गया तो बोरिया बिस्तर पैक करके थैंक गॉड आई एम नॉट फ्लाइंग आई वुड हैव बीन सो मच एक्सेस क्योंकि 3 दिन के हॉलिडे में भी मैंने इतना शॉपिंग कर दिया था. यू सॉ द क्रॉकरी एंड ऑल ना, सो आई हैड टू पैक ऑल ऑफ दैट एंड देन फाइनली ate a little healthy breakfast and off we went. Always so sad to leave Goa, yaar. I realized the audio in my last video was so crap that I've carried a mic. And also today is going to be a test because we are returning via Tejas Express और हम लोग आए थे वंदे भारत में. So it's going to be a comparison, war of the trains. देखा जाएगा. And also हाँ मैं भूल गई बताने, we were going to, so the train starts at Madgaon but because we were living in the north of Goa there is a station called Karmali. वहाँ पे हम लोग जा रहे हैं which is almost about 45 minutes to an hour from Seolim. Let's go check it out. The reason we are not taking the Vande Bharat back is because Vande Bharat only plies Monday, Wednesday, Friday between Bombay and Goa, and today is a Sunday. And this is the cute Karmali station. Executive lounge and all be here, by the way. Yeah, it's quite cool. It's quite a cute, quaint little station. और मुझे बोला गया था कि यहाँ पे ज़्यादा लोग आते ही नहीं है. सारा गोवा यहाँ पे आ गया था, इतना मैं बोल सकती हूँ.
Yeah, I know, I saw it, but what is it?
It's a truck.
What?
It's a truck, Roro.
I swear if I could hear Rustam's thoughts while dragging that bag, we would need a PG-18. अब टाइम तो हो गया है but ट्रेन तो कहीं दिख नहीं रही है. After a terrible start.
प्लॅटफॉर्म क्रमांक 1 वर आलिया या गाडीनं आगमन झालेल्या प्रवाशांना
खैर ट्रेन आ तो गई, लेट तो लेट भाई. This train was supposed to reach the platform at 1:30 but it reached us at 1:45 and by 1:50 we headed out of Karmali station and now we are already running 20 minutes late. पता नहीं नसीब में मेरे हमेशा उल्टा ही जाना था, आते वक्त भी जाते वक्त भी. Now this train overall is much older. Like I can imagine when it was brand new, bichara was good. But it was not maintained the best way, which is the sad reality of most things here, na? Like even the windows are so dirty because the nazara was so beautiful. And सच बताऊँ तो अगर ये ट्रे टेबल किसी के सर पे गिरता ना तो गया सीधा. अभी तक तो सांस नहीं लिया and I saw गुलाब जामुन आ गए. Everything माफ. The food was hot and nice, basic. इतनी चपाती थी and पनीर था for vegetarian meal. And of course the gulab jamun जो मैंने actually bite किया ना तो I suddenly felt like there was something and I'm wondering what the hell, but then I realized वो बीच में ना it was a surprise, खोया का surprise जो मस्त निकला. I was very happy. One uncle tried to fight with us also. Bag. अब I've realized Indian trains know how to do only one thing, feed. So for 4 o'clock snack time we got chai, एकदम बेचारा पाव का 2 slice and I didn't know what to do with that pav. Then I realized there was some butter but I just settled for the chiura and enjoyed the chiura. There was a plug point but not like the Vande Bharat where you have separate on each seat. Now the most important, toilet. Not great at all. Very smelly and not nice, yeah. And this bichara guy saw me recording और उसके बाद he felt so bad कि he kept cleaning it literally every hour. मुझे बहा के बोलता मैडम मैंने साफ कर दिया. Of course I tipped him, यार. Of course. Somehow a train journey on your way back home always feels much more longer than when you're going to the destination. Rustam slept through it and I enjoyed the scenery. And by 7:30 we were served dinner which was again exactly the same. दाल चावल पनीर मैंने खाया तो सही but it was like थोड़ा variety में थोड़ा मज़ा आता. Variety is always the spice of life. That goes for only food and not in the case of the husband. Alright, just making sure. He agrees. By now I was so pukka out that I started noticing how white light makes everything look hospitally and then I started puckawing his head also. Just FYI, by 11:30 we were supposed to reach our destination. Then I saw this, guys. I had so much chai and इसमें से गर्म पानी निकलता है just by the way. मैं भी क्या करूँ? Luckily I'm fine. Anyways, it was time for us to get off. And uncle auntie were very tired, as were we. My friends picked me up and we were home sweet home. And my favorite kaki ding was the happiest as well. Okay, good night.